In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vectorize an image using Canva in just 5 minutes. Vectorizing can be incredibly useful when you want to create graphics that can be resized without losing quality. Perfect for anything from logos to detailed illustrations. Let's dive right in. First, head over to canva.com and sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the page. If you haven't already signed up, you can do so using your email, or you can opt for a quicker login through Google or Facebook if you prefer. Once you're logged in, you'll have your whole creative world at your fingertips. Next, it's time to choose the project you'd like to work with. Canva makes it easy by displaying your recent projects right on the homepage, but you can also search for any specific project if you have something particular in mind. Selecting the right project ensures you're ready to transform your design into a sleek vector format. Now we're going to look for the magic tool that will help us in this process, the Tracer app. In Canva's search bar, type Tracer and hit enter. This tool is fantastic for what we need because it simplifies the complex process of vectorization into something incredibly easy and efficient. Once you've found it, give it a click and let's get transforming. The Tracer app will convert your chosen image into a vector outline, which is essentially a set of paths and shapes that define the design. This step is crucial because vector graphics, unlike pixel-based images, can be infinitely scaled without any loss of quality. This means your design will look crisp and clean whether it's on a business card or a billboard. After the app works its magic, you now have a vector version of your image, which you can edit and customize to your heart's content. Canva's editing tools allow you to adjust colors, refine outlines, and even tweak shapes to suit your precise vision. If you're designing a logo or any branding material, this is an excellent way to perfect the details. With vector graphics, the possibilities are truly endless. You're only limited by your imagination. So in just a few steps, you've learned how to take an image and transform it into a versatile, high-quality vector graphic using Canva. This quick and easy process can really elevate your design game, ensuring your visuals remain sharp and professional across all formats. Thank you for watching, and I hope this brief tutorial has given you the confidence to vectorize any project swiftly and effectively. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more design tips and tricks.